This time up, we are going to install a new driver's side mirror on this '06 Impala we call Ruby, but this will be the same for any 9th Gen Impala, '06 to 13 Impala, 14 to 16 Impala Limited, and the procedure is the same for the passenger side. So I just wanted to jump in here real quick before we proceed. Before you order your mirror, check your texture on the sail panel. Some of the earlier models, like this one's from the '06, it's got a smooth finish on it. And like my 12 has this textured finish. Another thing too, there's a easy upgrade you can do. They have heated mirrors, and apparently they're plug and play. And the way to know that is you look on your connector. So this is a non-heated mirror, and it's got 3. See how it has 3 on the bottom there? The heated mirrors add 2 more pins at the top, and the wires are already in the door. So it's just plug and play if you wanted to do a little upgrade while you're replacing your mirror. So a couple things to keep in mind. So on with the video. Alright, so now I hope you followed my video on how to remove and install your door panel, because that'll leave you with this right here. You got 3 10mm bolts, but before that you need to disconnect the electrical connector right here, and this has a piece of tape over it. You can press down, let me get that out of the way, press down here, disengage, and it should come right off like that. Now you gotta grab your panel tool and get this out of here. And now you look up, and our 3 10mm bolts. Yeah, just a couple swipes and that came loose. Should be the same here. Now all the while, when you're ready to get that third one, that's holding it. I would say hold the mirror from the outside with your other hand and hold on to these bolts, because the new one does not have them. Okay, now you see she's holding in there. Now you're just gonna come over here, and out she comes. I got my new one. I'm gonna unpack it, take the cardboard off. There's these little rubber nubs on the, take those off. We're gonna go back over here, fish the wire through here. See, there's a new thing to plug into the door. Line up your 3 holes. There we go. Now you're going to carefully hold one hand to hold this mirror up, and you're going to come back over here. I'm going to put one bolt on loosely and adjust the camera. And as that one's not fetching, I'm going to go around the other side and make sure it's flush. The reason I wasn't sitting flush there is there's a locating tab right here, and there's a hole that it corresponds to, and I just had to drill that hole out a little bit. I think that tab might have been a little too big. So I drilled it out a little bit. I probably should throw some paint on there. But honestly, by the time this thing rusts, this car will probably be going to the junkyard. So now she sits flush. There we go. Let's go back over to the other side. I'm actually feeling around the outside, making sure that everything sits flush. And there is a limit. You can't over tighten them. I got those two. I can get that third one finger tight. Yep. So then you take this little spot, push it in there, boom, and connect up your connector. And that's all there is to it. Well, then you admire your new mirror. My buddy wanted black mirrors on his car, so he's got a matching set of black ones. That one's gonna go in the storage pile because it's perfectly fine. But anyways, so now go back and watch how to reinstall your door panel. And if you found this informative at all, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing and hitting the bell. Like, share, comment, and appreciate everybody who has subscribed. Get me to 1,000, man. Appreciate the subscriptions. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for visiting. Oh, no video can be complete without recording the beagle destroying the cardboard on the floor. The cat's a better helper than you are. Gertie. Gertie, say goodbye. Nope, she'd rather feast on cardboard. Gertie, say goodbye. Look at those devilish eyes. Goodbye.